As we were walking back this beautiful jungle trail, we heard this, I assume it was an insect. And at first it started off, it sounded pretty cool because it was just like a solid, like clicking, knocking sound. But then it progressively built and built and built until it was just a constant like noise. And my sister had joked that it sounded like the emergency broadcast system, but no idea what it was. I could not see anything up in the tree. So if you guys know what is making this noise, let me know in the comments, because I am curious as to if that's some sort of insect or a frog or what, because it is loud.